Hello everyone, I am Shivani Biradar from Student Coding. Welcome you all to our new episode of a Campus Ambassador series, where we introduce a campus ambassador to everyone. Today we have Akansha with us, and she is the lead of a Google developer community from her college. Hello Akansha,
Hi Shivani,
how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also good. So before going on our core discussion, like what is a DSC and all, but I would like to know about some lines and some information about you. Like what are your hobbies and who is Akansha actually?
Okay. So I'm the DSC lead from Guru Tegh Bahadur Institute of Technology. I'm a web and VUI developer. I love interacting with people and I love attending meetups, conferences, and apart from the technical stuff, I like dancing and swimming.
Okay, great. That is you are a very interesting person apart from studies. Cool.
Yeah.
So basically, what is the DSC program actually?
So,
Can you? Yes, go ahead.
okay. So, Developer Student Clubs is an initiative started by Google developers with the motto of providing web and mobile skills to college students. It aims at helping students to bridge the gap between theory and practice. Like by joining a DSC, you can get to know more about the technical skills as well as the managerial skills as well. So it's like a peer to peer network where you interact with a lot of people and learn from them. And I'm from a tier 3 college, but DSC has provided more visibility to opportunities, and now people are more aware about the open source projects and scholarships around the world. The students in our college, they knew about the personal branding, and now even the first years are having their GitHub and LinkedIn account.
Yeah, that's great. So
Yeah.
before knowing about more in depth, so is there any prerequisite for DSC program?
So, prerequisites, I would say just be active, build projects, and be a part of community. It's not necessary you have to be a part of DSC. You can be a part of any community and contribute in it. You can also explore some communities out of campus, like we have GDG, WTM, and just be proactive enough.
So after knowing the prerequisite of this program, what is the main procedure? If I'm a student, I want to apply for that program, then what will be the procedure for that? Can you please put some light on that?
Yeah, sure. So before becoming the DSC lead in my college, I was a part of the core team of developer student labs. So I contributed well to the society. So for applying for the DSC lead, there are two procedures. One is the application part, and second is the video that you have to make. So in the application, you have to tell about your community work. You have to share your projects. If you have hosted some application or you have an Android app on the Play Store, you can mention it as well. And you can also tell about your leadership roles, like if you have spoken somewhere or you have led some managerial roles or you have taken part in some hackathons, you can mention it as well. And it's important to mention some Google technology as well, maybe Android, Flutter, Actions on Google, Firebase, and so on. So it's good if you have these technology as a part of your resume. So it's like a cherry on a cake. And second part is the video. You have to make a 1 minute short video and you have to tell why you want DSC in your campus. You have to tell about your contributions in the community, maybe any community inside the campus or outside the campus, like we have GDG, WTM, or you could be a part of any local community of your college as well. And in the like in the video, you must have you should mention that why you are suitable for this role. You have to mention some points related to showing leadership qualities and where you have helped someone. And the best part, like the best way is to represent yourself is through story. So do give some live examples as well. And if you get shortlisted after the interview for the application procedure, then comes the interview part. So interview is taken by Googlers itself. It's like an informal interview. You don't have to worry. They ask general about your introduction. They ask about your community bonding, and even if you have gone to some hackathons, you can mention it as well. And they basically checks your temperament, like would you be able to manage thousands of people in your community. And rest, they also ask some technical questions, not in depth, but they generally ask about GCP or maybe any other Google technology. So that's all about it.
Okay. So how much time they take to let you know that you are selected as a DSC?
So it generally takes like around 2 months, you can say, like when the application starts and till the deadline, and then 1 month more. So it's approximately around 2 months.
Okay, that's a pretty long period. Cool. So
Yeah.
how does can one start the DSC club in their college in case it is not there?
Okay. So actually, it's quite simple. Just go and apply. And if you don't have DSC chapter already in your campus, it's important to build a trust factor, because if you have a DSC chapter already, uh, it's been like easier to apply for it. So try to build the trust factor, host some meetups, and be a part of some community. And I would say build relationships with students in your college.
Okay. So like as a student, I don't know like opportunities like this, like about DSC and any other ambassador program. Like, but from where you will come to know about the DSC program?
So actually, I got to know about the DSC program from my senior, because we already had a DSC chapter in our college. But if you're not aware of these opportunities, I would recommend you to subscribe to channels of Google developers. They generally tell about different opportunities, be it scholarships, be it developer student clubs, or any other opportunity related to jobs. So just subscribe to their mailing list and you will get to know about these opportunities.
Okay, so you can indirectly also say you can subscribe to our channel because our channel also let the people know about the lot of ambassador program list.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how if you want to differentiate between the DSC program and other ambassador program, how will you differentiate that?
Okay. So actually, all communities are good. Like it depends on the people, collaborative learning. Uh, like in one case it's different, it focuses on solving real life problems through technology. Like in other communities we generally have people teaching and that's it, but DSC is more open to solving problems, building solutions to local businesses. And maybe you can have one startup too. Like I would mention, last year there was a DSC chapter. So all four friends come up with an idea, they build solutions under DSC, and they eventually had a startup later. So DSC just focuses on everything, be it the design thinking part, be it technical skills, be it managerial skills, and it's not just about technology.
Okay, you just mentioned that DSC is not only about technology. So what kind of
Yeah.
benefit as you are getting as a DSC lead from your college?
Okay. So you got a chance to connect with Googlers and get guidance for them from them. So there are some upskill sessions, weekly things where you are taught how to manage and grow your community. Like all this have definitely helped me in improving my personal skills, and I got to interact with like-minded people. And the best part was the DSC summit. Like we got guidance from Googlers over there. We had lots of fun over there. We had a gala night and played games as well. I even learned some great strategies from Googlers to how to manage people, how to build relationships with them. And apart from this, if you are not a DSC lead but you are a part of the DSC chapter in your college, you get much more exposure. There are some programs like GCP Explore ML program. You can be a part of the core team and you can definitely get some cloud credits free of cost. Yeah, and there are some sessions for core team members as well, like specially invited for them as well.
Okay, that means you have a very great journey from a student to the DSC lead. Okay, so what will your experience as a DSC lead? Can you please share with us?
Yeah, sure. So my DSC journey has been really phenomenal. I got to interact with a lot of people in my community. I spoke in front of thousands of people, which I've never thought. I also got over my imposter syndrome and impacted a lot of lives. I was a regular attendee in meetups, then I started organizing meetups, and then finally I spoke at meetups too. So I remember the day I got selected as a DSC lead. I was quite skeptical, like how will I manage people? Like how will I speak in front of so many people? So I reached out to Arpan Garg, like he's the organizer of GDG Delhi. I told him that I want to share a good news that I got selected as a DSC lead. So he said that's great. And I thanked him and said, do you know some good speakers? I want to host some sessions. So he said, why not you try it yourself? You can become a good speaker as well. Like that day I realized, yes, he's right. I got really inspired from his words and then started speaking. And I've given around 20 plus sessions in the span of 1.5 year. So that's how my journey started as a speaker in DSC. And I also got an opportunity to speak in 4 different states of India as well. Like I spoke in different colleges of India. So I've inspired a lot of many women developers to attend meetups and take part in hackathons. And now the female ratio has also increased in our college as well.
Okay, that's great that you have a very good journey from a student to the DSC lead. So thank you so much,
Thank
Akansha,
you.
for sharing this journey. The last question is how will you share the how? What's the question? Okay, so what will be your word of advice to our audience?
Okay. So one advice that I would like to give to the next set of DSC leaders is to never fear from applying to new opportunities that come in your way. Even if you're not prepared, just go for it and you will learn a lot of new things in the process. Just believe in yourself and give it a shot.
Yeah, so that's great. Thank you so much, Akansha, for sharing your word with us. I'm pretty sure
Thank you,
that this your
Shivani.
journey will inspire everyone to apply for DSC lead. Thank you.
Thank you.